In the throes of conflict, we fought not for glory, but for the promise of peace, the assurance of prosperity. The soil under our feet, the land of our forefathers, the very essence of our existence was the prize we sought. The words of a war veteran echo through time, painting a poignant picture of the Zimbabwean land crisis. In the year 1991, Queen Elizabeth II, the reigning monarch of the United Kingdom, graced the soil of Zimbabwe. A Commonwealth meeting with then-President Robert Mugabe marked the occasion. This visit symbolized the cordial relations between the UK and Zimbabwe, its former colony. However, beneath the amicable facades, a storm was brewing. A storm that would tear at the very fabric of Zimbabwean society. The crux of the conflict lay in the contentious issue of land redistribution. Land, after all, is more than just dirt and grass. It is a symbol of power, wealth, and identity. It is a tangible manifestation of historical injustices and contemporary inequalities. Mugabe's approach towards land redistribution, which involved seizing white-owned farms, led to economic turmoil and political unrest. The tremors of these actions were felt not just in the corridors of power, but also in the hearts and homes of the war veterans who had shed blood and tears for this land. The Queen, despite the escalating tensions, maintained an affectionate stance towards Zimbabwe. However, her perceived failure to address the colonial injustices during her reign drew criticism from all quarters. Mugabe, for his part, directed his anger not towards the Queen, but towards the British government leaders. Fast forward to the present day, and the land issue continues to be a thorn in the side of Zimbabwean politics. The ZANU PF government, led by President Mnangagwa, has been accused of forcibly taking land from war veterans, the very individuals who had fought for their country's freedom and sovereignty. The tears of these brave souls serve as a stark reminder of the deep-seated injustices and inequalities that continue to plague Zimbabwe. The Zimbabwean land crisis, as seen through the eyes of the war veterans, serves as a stark reminder of the enduring legacy of colonialism and the ongoing struggle for justice and equality. It is a tale of power, politics, and pain, a narrative that continues to unfold and evolve with each passing day.